Hey, welcome to Daily Phrases. In this video, I'll teach you 30 real phrases that native speakers use every day. Let's begin. Repeat after me. 1. I'm on my way, meaning I'm coming, I'm going there now. Used when you are going to meet someone. Example, don't worry, I'm on my way. Repeat, I'm on my way. 2. Take your time, meaning no rush, do it slowly. Used when you want someone to relax or not hurry. Example, no problem. Take your time. Repeat, take your time. 3. It's up to you, meaning you decide. Used when giving someone a choice. Example,
Pizza or pasta?
it's up to you. Repeat, it's up to you. 4. Sounds good, meaning that's okay, I agree. Used when you accept an idea or plan. Example,
Let's meet at 7.
sounds good. Repeat, sounds good. 5. No way, meaning really? I'm surprised. I don't believe it. Used when something shocking or exciting happens. Example,
He won the game?
no way. Repeat, no way. 6. That's crazy, meaning that's unbelievable, amazing, or shocking. Used when something is surprising or hard to believe. Example,
They worked for 20 hours.
that's crazy. Repeat, that's crazy. 7. I'll give it a try, meaning I'll try it. Used when you're not sure but willing to test. Example, I've never done yoga, but I'll give it a try. Repeat, I'll give it a try. 8. It's not my thing, meaning I don't like it, I'm not into it. Used when talking about personal preference. Example,
Do you like horror movies?
nah, it's not my thing. Repeat, it's not my thing. 9. Hang on a second, meaning wait a moment. Used when you need a short pause. Example, hang on a second, I'll check. Repeat, hang on a second. 10. I'm starving, meaning I'm very hungry. Used when you want to eat now. Example, let's eat. I'm starving. Repeat, I'm starving. 11th. Fingers crossed, meaning I hope for good luck. Used when you wish for a good result. Example, the exam is tomorrow. Fingers crossed. Repeat, fingers crossed. 12th. I'm in, meaning I agree, I'll join. Used when you say yes to a plan or idea. Example, like we're planning a trip. Cool, I'm in. Repeat, I'm in. 13. It's not a big deal, meaning it's okay, it's not serious. Used when something small happens. Example, I spilled water. Relax, it's not a big deal. Repeat, it's not a big deal. 14. Let's call it a day, meaning let's finish for today. Used when ending work or study. Example, sponik, we've done enough. Let's call it a day. Repeat, let's call it a day. 15. I'm all ears, meaning I'm listening carefully. Used when you're ready to hear something. Example, okay, tell me your idea. I'm all ears. Repeat, I'm all ears. 16. I'm not sure about that, meaning I don't fully agree or I'm uncertain. Used when You doubt something. Example, he said he'll be on time. Hmm, I'm not sure about that. Repeat, I'm not sure about that. 17. You never know, meaning anything is possible. Used when talking about uncertain situations. Example, do you think we'll win? Maybe you never know. Repeat, you never know. 18. I guess so. Meaning, I think yes, but I'm not 100% sure. Used when you agree but not strongly. Example, do you like this movie? I guess so. Repeat, I guess so. 19. I changed my mind. Meaning, I had a different idea before, but now I think differently. Used when you decide to do something else. Example, I was going to stay home, but I changed my mind. Repeat, I changed my mind. 20. It's worth it, meaning it gives good value or result. Used when talking about time, money, or effort. Example,
This book is expensive.
yeah, but it's worth it. Repeat, it's worth it. 21st, I can't help it, meaning I can't control it. I can't stop myself. Used when talking about natural behavior or emotion. Example, Ascal, I laugh every time. I can't help it. Repeat, I can't help it. 22. I'll pass, meaning no thanks, I don't want it. Used when politely saying no. Example, do you want dessert? Nah, I'll pass. Repeat, I'll pass. 23rd. I'm broke, meaning I have no money. Used when you can't afford something. Example, want to go shopping? I'm broke this week. Repeat, I'm broke. 24. That's not how it works. Meaning that's not the way things are done. Used when correcting someone's wrong idea. Example, can I skip the line? No, that's not how it works. Repeat, that's not how it works. 25. Long time no see, meaning I haven't seen you in a while. Used when you meet someone after a long time. Example, hey Anna, long time no see. Repeat, long time no see. 26. It's not fair, meaning the situation is not equal or just. Used when you feel something is wrong. Example, he got extra points. That's not fair. Repeat, it's not fair. 27th. I'm in a hurry, meaning I don't have much time. Used when you need to move quickly. Example, sorry, I can't talk. I'm in a hurry. Repeat, I'm in a hurry. 28. That's a good one. Meaning that's funny. That's clever. Used when reacting to a joke or smart comment. Example, what do you call a fake noodle? An impasta. Haha, that's a good one. Repeat, that's a good one. 29th. I've had enough. Meaning I can't take more. I'm done. Used when you're tired, angry, or full. Example, let's stop working. I've had enough for today. Repeat, I've had enough. 30. Let's get started. Meaning, let's begin. Used when you're ready to begin something. Example, everyone's here? Great. Let's get started. Repeat. Let's get started. Nice job. These 15 phrases are part of everyday English. Keep practicing and speak like a pro. See you in the next part of Daily Phrases.
And don't forget to subscribe. English in action.